a whole different angle going on here. I decided I'm going to do like an unboxing for you guys from Bath and Body Works. So I finally got my order from the 550 fragrance mist sale that happened. What was that, like? Was that last week? I don't remember. But yeah, we're about to open this box. I did not open it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for you and me both, okay? So yeah, let's open it. I got my little box cutter. Okay, let's see, you guys. I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, let's see. I hope it's everything I could. What the heck? Okay.
Yo, mom almost off.
Okay. First of all, my things are all out. Okay, as you can see, you can kind of see some of the scents I got. I'm just about to start pulling them out. Let's start with the Christmas scents that I picked out. I got the fresh sparkling snow, you guys. Do they have the, oh, I'm so happy they have the notes on the back. Okay, the fragrance notes are iced pear, frozen melon, winter apple, snowdrop blossom, and frost musk. Look at this pretty packaging. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so excited to smell this. I'm gonna do like brief reviews, not like full reviews, because I'm gonna do that in a whole different, y'all can't even see my face. I'm gonna do that in a whole separate video, okay? But just to give you like, if I like it, it's gonna be okay. Yeah, this smells just like the soap. I have the hand soap, and I did a review on that already. So yeah, fresh sparkling snow. I got the frosted coconut snowball. Very pretty packaging. The notes are frosted coconut frosted can I read? Frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, winter freesia, snow-kissed woods, and spun sugar. I'm kind of nervous about that floral in there. Hopefully it still smells good. Okay, let's see. It's actually really nice. Okay, I can dig it. I like this. Yeah, I feel like I would actually get the cream to this. Okay. Snowy peach berry, y'all. I got snowy peach berry. The packaging is okay for me. It kind of looks like the it kind of looks like the Christmas cookie packaging, but it's like a lighter color. Okay, the notes are snow-kissed cranberries, frosted peach blossom, and shimmering woods. I was so nervous about getting this one, you guys. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it kind of reminds me of like something I had when I was a kid. It's kind of a light scent, to be honest. Yeah, it's a very light scent, but it smells really good. Okay, I finally got my hands on the Sparkling Plum Prosecco. This is from the Farmhouse Cafe collection. I really wanted to try this one, but I never got a chance to. So when they said it was a sale coming, and they brought it back. It wasn't on the website for the longest time, but they finally brought it back. So I'm like, yeah, let me try this. Okay, let's see. Whoa, this is so good. I really like this one. I didn't even read the notes. They don't even have the notes on the back, so I'm gonna have to add the notes like on the side or something. Okay, so then I decided, hopefully y'all can't see my, no, I don't think you can. My address was on that sign. I got some everyday scents that I didn't get a chance to try out. I got the Velvet Sugar. Very pretty packaging. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I've been missing out on this. Why didn't y'all tell me about Velvet Sugar? It done got on my lip. What the heck? But yeah, it's so good. It's a very sweet scent, you guys. And lastly, I got the Paris Amour. They don't have the notes on here, but this is very pretty packaging. With that bow on there. This also has the bow, the Velvet Sugar. Okay, I've heard some good things about this Paris Amour, so hopefully it lives up. Hopefully it smells really good. Okay. That's really nice. Okay, yeah, it's good. I like this one. But yeah, you guys, that's all of the scents that I got from the $5.50 fragrances sale. So far, I like all of them. But to be honest, I'm really messing with this Fresh Sparkling Snow. It has like a peary melon smell to it. You guys, I'm gonna be doing reviews on all 6 of these scents because these are all so new to me. I've never tried these before, so I'm super excited to I can't even think of what I'm gonna say. I'm super excited to like try them out. For maybe each day I'm gonna try a scent, so then I can do the review for you guys. Maybe I'm gonna do a review, one review per day. So tomorrow, guys, let me know which one you want me to do a review on first. So yeah, I would probably try that one tomorrow and then give you guys an in-depth review. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Okay. I think that's all. This is pretty weird talking to y'all like this. I think that's gonna be all for this video. Just super short video, only 6 cents. But I really like all of them. I'm super happy that I got them. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.